So Fanttik have been kind enough to send me out their F2 Master tool to try out on the channel. Except it's a Rotary tool. So there's the main unit there. You can open up all the accessories and scroll them around. I don't know if you can see that there, but that is cracked. Find what you want. Now for this, I think we're going to want some sort of a small grinding sort of tip. Let's have a look, see what we've got. That might be one there. I want a pointy one. Let's try that one there. That should do. So just unscrew it, pop it in. And tighten it up. Your speed setting is this little button here, so you turn it on and then select up or down to change it. Now we should be able to see what we're doing. I think we've got a track there. Quick clean up with some IPA, and we can see what we've cleaned up. So another example for using the F2 Master is to do something like this, where you want to just clean up some of the support marks where you've had a support interface on 3D printing where things haven't come out quite right. You just want to clean it up a little bit. So for that we'll try something like a smaller polishing piece. Try something like this. As you can see, that's cleaned up quite nicely already there. And again. It's definitely doing a good job of cleaning it all up. Yep, it's definitely improvement. So it's quite handy. I mean, especially if you're doing resin printing, this would definitely be very handy for something like that. For FDM, it's perfectly fine. Just got a few bits of dust all over it now. But as I say, if you're doing resin printing or crafting or whichever, I mean, it'd be very handy. I have actually used this on some acrylic and laser cut materials that I've done on my laser cutter, and it's been really good. I just didn't get any footage of it. So on and off, a nice little handy crafting tool. It's definitely worth having. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.